What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you all are having a great week so far. It is Wednesday, so it is halfway through the week. To me, it doesn't matter because I am off this week, spending time with my daughter for her summer break before she starts her summer camp. So hopefully you guys are finding some good stuff out there. Our Walmart hasn't had anything for some time now, and it's getting a little dry out there. And with that, guys, it is that time yet again. We have a mail call, guys. Check this out. Huge box, and this is sent from Paul. So again, thank you for sending whatever is in this box, but this is his contribution to the Diecast Day of Giving. He wanted to send a box of donations, and that is what is in here. There is one car that I know for sure that he sent, and it is a red edition that I cannot wait to add to the collection. So there's only one way to find out, and it's to open it up and see what's inside. So with this, like I said, he wanted to send a donation to support the Diecast Day of Giving. If you guys haven't checked that out and what we do for the community in our area, your area, wherever it is, you can contribute in any way, and I'll have the link and info down in the description box. Or you can just go to drivendreams.org and read about what we do in our communities to help the kids. It is an amazing event we do every single year. It typically falls around October. So definitely read up on it, guys. It really does make a difference for a lot of kids around the world. Hi, Jason. I hope this finds you and your family well. Here are a few things I've collected. The case is for driven.org. He means drivendreams.org. And our cars my wife and I have picked up over the past several months since we learnt of the charity. I've also enclosed the Mustang short card and Holden we talked about, so there we go. Spoiler alert, that is the red that we were talking about just a second ago, so can't wait to see that beauty in person. I suspect you may have the racing champions. If so, do as you please. There is a mystery gift and a couple of my early customs. Uh-oh. I know you intended to do one yourself, but this may save you a little precious time. Nice. Thank you for all you do for the community and charity. Your passion for the hobby is obvious. You're a great inspiration and fountain of knowledge to many collectors. Best wishes and good luck hunting from my family to yours, Paul. So there you go. Facebook, Paul Young, his YouTube, and his Instagram. Definitely go support my man. So Paul, thank you so much for doing this and contributing to the charity event. We got some customs in here, guys. I cannot wait to check those out and see what we got. So here is the box of charity. And then this one, let's see what's inside of this box. Ooh, here we go. We got some NASCAR heat, guys. Check this out. Ooh, there it is. Beautiful, man. God, that thing is so nice. Yeah. Man, 2008 Holden VE Ute SSV Red Edition from Matchbox. God, that thing is wicked, man. Such a beautiful Ute, man. I'm glad they made this a red edition. Look at the details in the front. You have the Holden badge, the headlights, the license plate, those clean 5 spokes that Matchbox is highly known for. And you do have taillight tampos. They just blend into the red body, but loving the SS stripe running along the side. But there we go, guys. Another new red edition to add to the collection. And we so far have them all. We have the Raptor, the Mustang, the Camaro, the Bugatti, the Mercedes, and the Porsche 911. And now we can add the 2008 Holden Ute right here. Nice, dude. God, that looks so good. We haven't seen any new reds in Target, and normally our Target's pretty good with reds, not all the time, but we haven't seen anything lately from Matchbox. Ooh, and here we go. Check this out. We have the Nissan Leaf right here. Oh, dude, that looks super cool. This must be one of his customs. Check that out. Oh, dude, that looks super clean. Did you just dye this like how I did? Dude, that looks really good in blue. Man, that is awesome. Check that out, guys. Talk about a beautiful color setup, man. You got the blue with the white tin spokes. Oh, man, that just pops, man. That looks good. And he tapped and screwed the base. Look at that. Nicely done, dude. Loving that stripe running down the center. And then here we go, the 57 Chevy. Nice. Man, now this is the one he was talking about. I have been intending to remove the tampos and just make a clean 57 Chevy, and my man beat me to it. Look at that. Gosh, that looks so much better. Love the details of the taillights. Got some headlight details on there. Look at that. Super slick. Oh, and he did the interior. Look at that. Nice. Oh, that is nice. You got the white and gray interior. Dude, that is beautiful. Just got to dust it off. It's got some of the cardboard on there, but man, that looks good. Oh, that looks so much better than this one. Now, this is the 2024 Art Cars version of the 57, and my man just knocked that out of the park, dude. Super clean, but this Nissan Leaf, I am loving that color setup, man. Thank you for that. All right, and then next up, here we go, guys. Number 43 and 99. You got Jeff Bodine and John Andretti. There we go. Pontiac Grand Prix. Nice. I don't have this one. There's a lot of different releases from Racing Champions, but when it had the driver on the card like that, there were only a few of these that I had. I had a couple Mark Martin ones, but do not have the John Andretti. That is super cool. This is from 1999 Celebrating Racing Champion Originals. Look at that. Beautiful 43, and of course Jeff Bodine's X sidecar number 99. There we go, man. Ford Taurus. That is cool. Another addition to the NASCAR collection. Let's go ahead and set these over here, as well as these. All right, next little box right here. Don't know what's inside of this. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Check this out, guys. Number 2 series of the mystery model. Uh-oh, which one is this? This one is, oh, yes, dude. Number 1. My man. Oh, dude, that is awesome. Let's go ahead and open up this beauty. I have been looking for this one for some time. Let's get our eyes on this beautiful number 1. Oh, yeah. Yeah, dude. Can check this one off the list. There we go, guys. 1969 Boss 302. Yes, man. Oh, there we go. Look at that beautiful 69. You are the man. Check that out, guys. Beautiful blue with the number 1. Nice tattered livery on there. Looks a little worn. And then you have some hash marks for counting. Looks like they're counting some victories or some wins. Dude, that is nice. Got the MC5s in chrome in the back and the gold aero discs up front. There we go, man. The last time we saw the 302 as a mystery model was probably back in, what, 2020? And it came out in this one, which was also number 1. So it is good to see this one back out as number 1's mystery model for Series 2. Dude, that is sweet. God, man. Thank you so much for that one. I can finally check that off. Looks like we have the other 2. Oh, number 3. And then this one should be maybe number 2. Yep, number 2. My dude, man. So let's go ahead and open these up. We do actually have this one, but man, it is good to have another loose one. Check that out. God, that looks so good. Such a beautiful Mopar, man. This is the 1968 Plymouth Barracuda Formula S. And that lime green metallic is just beautiful. Man, that looks good. So there you go, number 2, or no, that's number 3. And then number 2, if I remember, Actually, I don't remember, so let's go ahead and open it up. And here we go. Firebird, that's right. Man, that looks good. So now I have 2 of these loose of each, but finally got that one, man. That is like the #1 on my hit list, and we can check it off, dude. Awesome stuff right there. If anyone needs the Firebird or the Barracuda, let me know, because I do have 2 other ones loose. We're going to hold on to these, but dude, that is sweet. And then 98 Subaru STI. And then we have the 68 Plymouth Barracuda S. There we go. Oh, that was 2 different releases. Check it out. You have one in like an iced white. And then you have this one, which is that. So, nice. Ooh, here we go. Lowe's Store Cup. You have the 2016 release of the Lowe's car. Nice. Who drove this? Anybody know who drove it? Number 16 Lowe's Promotional Diecast. Dude, that is super cool. Nice. And then here we go, guys. The 69 Mustang on a short card. Dude, that is so clean. Oh, man. Thank you so much for actually taping the blister. It's weird how that actually helps prevent it from cracking. I don't know why or how. Maybe it has to do with the shaking of it when it's getting mailed off. But I definitely appreciate you, dude. Man. Oh, that is such an awesome casting. Welcome to the collection, man. Welcome to the collection. We have the long card version right here. Now we actually have the shorty. Dude, thank you for that. Oh, that is sweet. Beautiful, man. That is a beauty. I know a lot of people aren't a fan of the short cards. It's funny because over here in the States, it seems like it's backwards. A lot of people love the shorties. I think they are perfect for storing. You can display a lot more on them. The card arts are pretty much more compacted. I don't know. I think the short cards are awesome. All right, and then this is the box for charity. Oh my gosh. I'm not even going to open this up. I'm going to keep it as it is. That way when we drop it off, it is just dropped off. So, dude, thank you so much for that and contributing to the Diecast Day of Giving. So let's go ahead and put that down here. Move this off to the side, and here we go, guys. Beautiful Nissan Leaf Custom sent in by my man Paul. Huge thanks for this one. That is a great addition to the Nissan collection. We have the beautiful naked 57 Chevy Custom. This thing looks so good, man. Man, it's crazy what a good paint job and wheels do. Then we have the #1 69 302. Finally add this one to the collection. So a huge thanks, man. Huge thanks. Local buddy of mine found one, and when I went to trade for him, he was like, oh, I already gave it away. So I had missed out on the only one found in this area. And then, of course, #2 is the Firebird, which is a beauty as well. And then the Plymouth Barracuda Formula S. This one's actually a super solid car right here. Love the color scheme on this. So there is that. We also got the short card 69 Mustang for the collection. And then, of course, finishing off with some NASCAR heat. The 2016 promotional Lowe's car. We have Jeff Bodine and John Andretti, number 43 car right there. So this is what we got from Paul. Huge thanks, man. I know you were concerned that it wasn't as big as the other packages. But like I said, guys, like you do not have to send massive scale boxes. This was plenty. I mean, even sending that is the cherry on top. And then, of course, the Holden, man, that is a beauty. But what you sent is plenty. Absolutely love the customs. And just thank you so much for that. And then on behalf of drivendreams.org, we thank you so much for sending this box. And like I said, we're going to keep this sealed. That way when we do our drop off, we can just drop off a freshly taped up box and they are good to go. So that is all we have for this episode, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up and comment down below your thoughts on anything Paul sent. So again, Paul, thank you so much for your contributions and your wife getting this all together and sending this. And like I always say, guys, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. So until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.